Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the concept of HLOOKUP. So H basically stands for horizontal lookup. This is basically used for searching values in the given data set in a horizontal manner. So for example, imagine you are given a data of sales for different products for various quarters. Like you can see Q1 24, Q2, Q3, Q4 24, like that. Now, I want a formula where I can, let's say, show you an example where I want to map my sales made for a tablet for a particular quarter, maybe vertically. So I will show you how the formula is. So I will just have to press equal to, then H lookup, open the bracket. Lookup value is Q1 because we are searching the sales of particular product for Q1. Then table array would be this entire table, selecting the entire table, then again comma. Now row index number. So as you can see, this table range starts from C6, which is product, up to G14, which is the last value in this table. So first row being product and quarters, I will count from here. Let's say I want to search the sales for tables. So it comes to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I type here as 4, then 0, bracket close. In the previous video, we have already covered freezing the cells in the VLOOKUP 2 video. So we can replicate that here. Let me freeze the cells. Now I copy and paste it below. As you can see, Q2 24 sales for the tablet is 26,700, then Q3 it's 27,900, and Q4 is 29,000, and accordingly the numbers are updated here. Now you can pause the video here and try to replicate this for smartphones, let's say. So pause the video now. I'm assuming you have attempted it for smartphones. Now let me do that with you, and you can check if you did it correctly or not. So again the same thing, HLOOKUP, select the table array, and now row index number. So instead of tablets was on the fourth row from beginning of the table, or the first row of the table, smartphones is on the fifth row. So instead of 4 for the row index number, I have to select 5 and then 0 and close the bracket. Again, freeze the range and just copy and paste. So congratulations if you were able to do it correctly. If not, no problem, you can practice it, understand the concept, re-watch the video. I recommend that you watch both the videos on VLOOKUP, which I have done already. That will help you understand the concept better, like freezing the cell range, changing the row index number, changing the lookup value. All those concepts I have already covered in detail. So I recommend you that you watch that video also. Thank you.